Good evening. On behalf of St. John Nepomucen Parish here in Sumag, po si Father Juan de Franca, Parish Priest, nagpasalamat gid sa tanan nga nag-bulig, nagbulog, agad nga maging successful, fruitful, and joyful ang third Banaag Sumag Festival. Yan to, naging successful tungkol sa pagbuligay gid o pag-iusa sa katawhan. Hindi lamang sa mga taong simbahan, kundi puto nila ang aton mga government officials ug ang civic community. So, it was really a testament of unity, solidarity, cooperation. No? Magsiling ka banaag sa Sumag, ang pagbanaag sa likod sang banaag, sa ilalong sang banaag, ay ara ang ginagatong, no? Agod nga magsiga, magsablab, dapat na igatong. Agod nga magsiga ang dila, dapat ini ma-melt, matunaw. Kung ginatunaw ka, kung ginagatong ka, sakit, no? Sakit. But that is the only way for you to shed light. You have to be melted, you have to be burned like firewoods. But again, the sufferings, the sacrifices, the pains, no, become sweet because it was a product of love, of unity and cooperation as a people here in Sumag. So to all of you, our stakeholders in this third Banaag Sumag Festival, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for making our Banaag Sumag Festival a great success. Padayon kita sa pagbanaag, pagbuligay, kapag iliusa. To all of you, God bless.
Sa imo pagkubay sa malawig na panahon,